Today I wanted to discuss something specific, and the funny thing is, as of maybe about a half an hour ago, I was having a discussion with a customer. Now they have a building that does have a dual fuel burner, but in New York City, they've made it very difficult to bring in new fuels. Then on the flip side of that, talking with the owner of the same building, talking about master venting for the steam system, because he was complaining a little bit about the usage of fuel. And going back to that, because in a boiler room, right, the boiler is just the vessel. The boiler is the mainframe. The boiler is the brain of the operation. But then you have an entire building. So we have old windows. We have uninsulated apartments. We have uninsulated pipes. We have air conditioners in the windows. I mean, we can go on and on and on. And you guys have heard me do videos about this very topic. But at the very least, what I pride myself on and our company on is the ability to go in, make sure the boiler room and the boiler equipment itself, whatever fuel I'm on, whether it be oil or gas, is working at absolute maximum efficiency. Now that might only be somewhere on oil, maybe in this 87, 86 to 88 percentile range, which is really good. And then really adjusting that flame and making sure everything is working the way it's supposed to provide the heat and the hot water to the building in the most efficient way possible. And then on top of that, looking at my master venting on the main lines and adding where I need to and subtracting where I need to. Because I think one of the other problems they're having is the design of the boiler and the design of the building is the boiler's like in one corner and then the main line goes to the other side. So now I need to vent that end way more than I would the apartment that's right or the main steam header that's in that portion of the boiler of the system, right? So this way I can evenly distribute the heat from one side to the other, because I think he's still getting complaints on the one side. Whatever, I don't want to go off on a tangent.